Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping other people from being able to follow you on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Privacy Settings. In Privacy Settings, select Friends. Now choose Players who can follow you. On the next page, click where it says Anyone and change it to No one. Click Confirm once done. From now on, other users won't be able to follow your profile on PSN. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.